As I went a-walking one morning, one day, I spied a young couple, so fond they did stray. One was a young maid, so sweet and so fair, and the other was a soldier and a bold grenadier, and they kissed all sweet and comforting as they clung to each other, and they walked arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They walked arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. And out of his knapsack he took a fine fiddle, and he played her such merry tunes as you ever did hear. And he played her such merry tunes that the valleys did ring, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed all sweet and comforting as they clung to each other, and they walked arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They walked arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. Oh soldier, oh, will you marry me? Oh no, my sweet maiden, this just cannot be. For I have me a wife at home in the old country, and sure she is the sweetest little thing that you ever did see. And they kiss all sweet and comforting as they clung to each other, and they walked arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They walked arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed all sweet and comforting as they clung to each other, and they walked arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. And they walked arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. Well, I'm off to India for 7 long years, drinking wines and strong whiskies instead of cold beers. And if ever I return again, it will be in the spring, and we'll both sit down together, love to hear the nightingale sing. And they kiss all sweet and comforting as they clung to each other, and they walked arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. And they walked arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. Oh, see the fleet-foot host of men who march with faces wan, from farmstead and from fisher's cot along the banks of Bun. They come with vengeance in their eyes, too late are they. For young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Doom today. Up the narrow street he steps, his face is smiling and young. About the hem rope on his neck, the golden ringlets clung. There's never a tear in his blue eyes, both glad and bright are they, as young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toon today. When last he stepped up that street, his shining pike in hand, behind him marched in grim array a stalwart earnest band. For Antrim town, he led them to the fray. Now young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toon today. There's never a one of all your dead slain within the fray as brave as he who marches now to the bridge of Toon today. True to the last, he treads the upward way. Now young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toon today.